It's iPhone day. Let's go ahead and get into another one. Now, I did just recently unbox the iPhone Air. I'll leave that video at the end of this one, but right now we're gonna take a look at the iPhone 17. Now, I am really excited about this one, and let me tell you guys why. So the reason why this phone is so special this year is because Apple finally gave us 120 hertz on this phone. They gave us good battery life. They gave us the cameras that we really need. In my opinion, this is the winner of the iPhone year this year, of the iPhone event. The iPhone 17 is the absolute best value for dollar phone that you can buy right now. 800 bucks on this thing compared to the Pro and Pro Max starting at 1200, 1100, all that, the Air starting at 999. For everything you're getting with this, you're getting the cameras, that especially the 120 hertz. Finally, Apple got rid of that old 60 hertz on the old iPhone models. This one, that Pro Motion display and the anti-reflective display on here is going to be really good. Now, of course, all the models have that anti-reflective, but again, this is just the one. If you guys are thinking about buying an iPhone but don't want to spend a bunch, you absolutely cannot go wrong with the iPhone 17. Like I said, this is definitely going to be the winner this year. So anyways, this is going to be that blue mist in 256 gigabytes. So let's go ahead and unbox it. There we go. And first impressions. Now, I just came back from the Apple store, didn't look at any of the phones. Not the 17, the Air, the Pro, Pro Max, didn't look at any of that. Which, by the way, I'm also going to be unboxing all three colors of the iPhone 17 Pro Max, so make sure you get subbed up and stay tuned. That video is coming today. But without further ado, let's go ahead and pull this phone out, set it to the side, take a look at what else we get. So we are going to get your USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. Not going to unbox this right now because I have 10 million of them, so I'm going to leave this in the box. And then also in here, we are going to get that paperwork. So basically all the same stuff as you saw in the Air. You're getting this one card and then just this little safety information thing. Unfortunately, no stickers. I said it in my Air video, but Apple, I'm tired of you guys taking all this stuff out of the box and not taking the price down. We need that. I don't want the new iPhones to start coming out with the 18, the 19 coming out in a tinfoil bag. So I'd really like to see some of that stuff come back, especially that power brick. If we could get that back, oh, that would be great. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into the rest of the box. Set that all to the side, not the box, the phone itself, and let's take a look. Now, this is a beautiful blue color. Just bringing it over to the Air, comparing it, this is going to be that sky blue, this is going to be that blue mist. Let me know which blue you guys like down in the comments more. In my opinion, I don't know, it's really tough for me to tell, honestly. Both of these are really, really nice. I think I'm going to have to go with the sky blue as my favorite between the two, but you guys let me know. But either way, let's go ahead and take the screen protector off. There we go. Very, very nice. Let me set that off to the side here. So what you're getting here, you're going to get, of course, those aluminum sides, that nice ceramic shield on the back. So it is going to be glass on the back, aluminum on the sides, and all around a very, very nice phone, especially for that price point. That's $799 starting on base. And the base storage is 256. No more of that 128. We don't need that. 256 is plenty for a lot of people. Of course, you can get the higher storage options as well if you're interested. But let's go ahead and take a look at this thing. Now I'm going to go and turn it on. There we go. And let's go around the sides of it. So you are going to get your ultra wide and your fusion cameras on here. So that's really nice. There's your flash. You get your little camera plateau. Are they still calling this a camera bump? I think this is still the camera bump. Whereas like the camera plateau goes all the way around the sides like that. But taking a look around the sides of the phone, you're getting your top antenna right there. On the left-hand side, classic iPhone, you get your action button, volume up and down, another antenna. Bottom, you get your speakers and your microphone and your USB Type-C port. And on the right-hand side, you're getting your camera control and power button. There's your antenna right there. But just taking a look at that anti-reflective display. So here's what I'm going to do. This is actually my iPhone 16 Pro Max right here, and I don't have an anti-reflective screen protector. And just taking a look, you can already see the difference. I do have a screen protector, but like I said, not anti-reflective. And you can definitely already see the difference. Now, it's not going to be as anti-reflective as something as like the Galaxy S25 Ultra or any of that, but this is an iPhone. They're at least making the step for it. I'm really happy. Of course, you can get all types of, anti-reflective screen protectors, which, by the way, I got a bunch of accessory videos coming out for all the iPhone models. Make sure you guys get subscribed for that. But Anti-reflective display on here, 120 hertz, really good battery life from the tests I've seen so far, and it's supposed to be even better than last year. I believe comparable to like the Pro. If I'm mistaken, let me know in the comments, but should be really good battery all around. This, I just can't stress it enough. This is absolutely the best iPhone really for your dollar that you can buy right now. And first impressions of it is very nice, feels premium. It does feel very similar to previous iPhone 16 and 15 models, but now that finally we have the 120 hertz, this thing is really going to be worth it for most people, especially if you don't really use those pro features. You don't really need all of that. You absolutely cannot go wrong with this phone. So all around, this is going to be the iPhone 17 in that blue mist color. Of course, it comes in all those other wonderful colors, which unfortunately the Pros this year, Apple, what did you guys do with the colors? No black especially? Come on, man. But if you want really good colors, you do get a black, you do get a white. I believe you get the green, the blue, and also a lavender. This is it. This is it right here. Very happy with it so far. I definitely can't wait to put this through its paces. This is actually my wife's phone right here. She was kind enough to let me unbox it here for you guys. But if you want to see anything about it, any other updates or anything like that, let me know down in the comments. But also just let me know all around what you guys think about the iPhone 17. If you're a Pro user, would you be interested in downgrading, technically downgrading, but not really actually, to the iPhone 17, or you absolutely have to have a Pro? Let me know down in the comments below. Make sure you guys get subscribed up for the channel. It's coming, all the accessories videos. We've got screen protectors, battery packs, cases, phone videos itself on my experience with the iPhone Air, with the Pro Max, with all that. Definitely get subscribed for that. And if you guys want to see my unboxing of the iPhone Air and my first impressions, I'll leave that video right here. If you guys want to see my unboxing of all 3 colors of the iPhone 17 Pro Max, that video is going to be right here.